So thank you for attending today's speech. I do have an audience here today with me. And they are going to be the ones to discuss the topic for today. So I will open the forum for ideas of discussion.
Which are worse, Minnesotan drivers or Wisconsin drivers?
I'm going to say mulligan to that, which means if you have another topic.
Tell me why you don't eat pork.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good topic of discussion. Let me just take a minute here to think about that. Okay. All right. Well, there's two main reasons why I don't eat pork. One is for the reason cited by God, and the other is doing an experiment in a biology class and discovering some very unnerving results about pork products. So first off, I'll describe the reason under God and then the results of the biology class experiment. So under all interpretations, the Bible, the Torah, the Quran, it specifically states not to eat pig. The Quran states it is forbidden for you, who is to consume any dead meat, blood, and flesh of those, or of the swine, invoked under the name other than Allah. So it completely forbids the eating of pork product because it is unclean. And for this reason, God has forbidden the consumption of pork. Second reason is the experiment that I did my first year biology class. And that experiment, under that we examined the organs of pigs. And under that examination, the first part was the lungs. And the lungs were filled with lots of abscess, which is growth, and lesions within the lung organs. The other part of that experiment was that we did, under microscope, we sliced tissue samples, and we looked at specifically the organs that deal with carrying out toxins. So the kidneys, we looked at the liver, and under these organs there were a lot of lesions, and also under microscope we were able to discover what is called trichina, which is an organism like a worm that was inside the cells. And the one statistic that I can remember back from this experiment class, which was really alarming, was that 1 in 50 pigs in a slaughterhouse would have this bacteria called trichina. And I believe that was done under the Chicago Academy of Medicine. So with those two reasons, that is why I do not eat pork. And with the unnerving results, especially of the experiment, I have not eaten pork, consumed any pork products since 2002. So I do want to take time to thank my audience today, and thank you for your great question, and keep thinking of good questions for me. Thank you.